Good morning everyone! Karon kay nag-init na among palutan or i-haircut ang amo. Then we will see kung anong itsura niya sa pagdating niya dito sa bahay. Tignan nyo yung among iro. Hindi na makita ng nawong. Hindi na makikita yung mukha. So ipapa-haircut namin. Pagbalik ko dito, may mga around 6 hours yata bago matapos ito pag-haircut. So, punta na kami. Let's go! Nanay motor dito. Hindi na ako mag-shit kaya sakit ako mata. So, kung makita niyo sa maganda yung niya, pagkakagupit. So, hindi na siya mukhang yung chitso. Hindi na siya mukhang chitso, mukha na siyang chihuahua. Mukha ng chihuahua si mukha, tignan mo yung mukha. Tabang dito sa kamera.
Cookie!
Tabang sa kamera!
Cookie!
So, yun ang itsura ng aming aso. So, yung una is untidy yung locks niya with this dog. Bang direct. Yeah. Yung una, untidy yung niya, lock sa aso natin. For this afternoon, it look neat na siya. Kaya lang, maybe this evening, magwiwiwi na siya naman dito sa upuan kasi galit ito kasi iniwanan dun sa pizza. Hindi ko pala aso ito sa anak ko. With my daughter dog, Mocha. So, smile Mocha.
Mocha!
So, thank you very much for watching. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I don't have work of bonsai, so I want to share to you about my toys or my RC. At my back is we have our X-Max, Kaiju, the scale over there is the Remo Hobby. Then I want to share to you about my RC. This one is we call this one is the STNRL RAPTOR. STNRL RAPTOR. So this is like a drone remote control airplane. So just what is it called? It's share this to you because this small aircraft is very cheap. It's only around 1,000 plus pesos, and it is work well. Because until now, I do not know if it's gonna fly because it's almost around how many months that this aircraft will fly. Then when I talk or I see on my video on my YouTube channel, this aircraft, the small one, is have a views of around 27,000 plus compared to my Asian A1 as only a few views that we got, and also another of my RC in there, including this archery. So for today, I would like to share to you that I do not know because the manual of this airplane drone is get lost, so it's very hard for me to train. So I just only try to take off in this room, hover if I can really, or I can still know how to apply this one. So this is the remote control. So there are plenty of function in there. There's like a trim for this one. If ever your aircraft is not stable, you can trim this one. And this is also automatic take home. So I just make an experiment of how to apply it again because I already forgot, because we are already old. And also I would like also to let this Eachine E120 fly in the room. So I just let my daughter having video because I cannot fly with. I'm also want to make or take a video on it. So we'll put the battery, then it's still working. So I cannot I cannot guarantee to you that I can fly this aircraft good because it is my first time in what they call second time in flying, or I'm not familiar, or I'm not what they call that is always playing this one. Then I already forgot the function. As I said, the manual is get lost. So first one, I would like to let this put in the box. Then I just hover around this area with my daughter videoing on it. Then I just hover it, then I land. Then I also testing I have a test flight on my Eachine E120. Then this is only thing that I'm going to share to you, the flight. If ever it is good, because I do not know yet if it can fly or not. So if ever it is good, it's okay because it run, or it's what we call this this is durable when it is still working as of now. So let's try. So turn this one on. So this light, so I think it's still working. Then turn this one on. Okay, it is connected. I do not know where. We still have an experiment, so maybe this one is the pause button over here with the take off. We'll try. Did not. Maybe the upper one. Try the upper one. Okay, it is the upper one. So it is hovering. So my conclusion of this one is still durable. It is very steady, as you can see. Then I try to what we call navigate this time. So it's still functioning now. I'm moving. So we're going to land. Okay. So it's still working. So for my conclusion for this drone aircraft, it's very durable because it's been how many months that I did not fly it. So for now, I need to have a training, or if ever I can find the manual of this one, maybe I can have a train, but it's still stable because they have a speed of this one. They have a speed is 1 to 3, just 2 bit and 3 bit. When it comes to 3 bit, it's very fast already. So for normal, I just try to make a puzzle on this control because the manual, as I said, it got lost. So I just turn off this one. And now this one, the Eachine E120. Yeah. So this one, this Eachine E120, supposed to be, I applied this yesterday afternoon, but suddenly when I get outside, the mode of this remote, because it was too long ago that I did not use it, it is transferred to mode 1. So I'm very lucky because the manual, there's a carton here, the Eachine carton. The manual is still inside in the box. So I just read the manual, then it says that turn on. Then you just continue press for a while this take off and landing button. That it will change to mode 2 or back to mode 1. So that's why it's so this one is already in mode 2, but before I did not take off because it's transferred to mode 1. Last night I just cure on it or repair on it. So we'll try again. We'll try now the Eachine E120. So by the way, that's why I'm trying myself to speak in English, because most of the one who requested on me to test flight on my drone, small drone or helicopter and drone airplane here is from other country. I think it is from India. So he said to me that try to speak English anyway. He can only he can understand my English even if not so good. So the battery is full. Okay, it's blinking. So the control up, down. So it's bind. You can see the rotor is moving. So it's okay. So we'll try to take off this one. So this one, I think it's very hard here in indoor compared to the airplane, because the blade is on the outer side. But if you're a child or you have a child, don't let your fly indoor, because according to the manual, or for more safety, you fly this one at least you are 5 meters away or 10 meters away from the aircraft. So it is a very for situation here quite a little dangerous. So I'll try to take off. So the blade is spinning, but the body is what we call that in trouble. So this time I'm going to take off now. Okay. So we got a trouble here because the aircraft is not steady. Need a trim, but I cannot trim here because I'm outside. Focus ni mo. That it is stable, so I just have a rotation of this aircraft here. So for now, for how many months that I did not fly this one, the Eachine E120 is very stable. As you can see, it can turn around in this small room. So I'm going to land now. I'm going to go landing because I am also find it hard separating. So to turn off, continuous press on the switch and turn off the transmitter. So for all these two aircrafts, we have this small RC airplane on my left side, and on my right side is the Eachine E120. So it is durable. So the only problem of my two RCs here is the battery. So I already damaged one battery of my Eachine, and the STNRL what they call Raptor is also quite a little damage already, because it will not reach up to 5 minutes. I think it's already around 4 minutes to 3 minutes. So for this afternoon, once again I would like to say to you that I'm sorry that I try my best to do on English, because the one who requested this one is from India, to have a review on my two RC here. So that's why I try to speak in English. So I just hope you can understand me why I'm trying to speak English, because or Tagalog or Bisaya, because for the request. So I can say for my RC helicopter here and my drone airplane here, still durable as of now, and it's still working well. So for this afternoon, thank you for watching my video. Hope you can understand me how good or how bad is my English. So again, thank you for watching. Have a nice afternoon. Bye bye.